How this YouTube channel is making around $1,000 a month that you can also duplicate right now. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. Hope you are all doing great. Nowadays people are earning lots of money from YouTube. In this video we're going to talk about the easiest method of how you can make $1,000 a month on YouTube with proof. So without further ado, let's dive into my computer right now. Before starting, make sure you press the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon and press all for getting all my future video notifications at the first. So for making money from YouTube, you should be first coming to YouTube. At first I'll be explaining you how people are earning money from YouTube. First of all, if your video is getting viral and video is getting lots of views, that means people ads will come in your YouTube videos, and when you keep on uploading videos and ads are coming and people are clicking on these ads, then money will start coming to your bank account. And if your views are very much, that means ad will come more and you will be earning more money. So nowadays there's some trends I have seen in YouTube that people are earning lots of money from YouTube. I'll be showing you the 2 exact steps, and in this I'll be showing you the easiest method that you can dive into right now for making money online from YouTube. You probably must have some dogs. Most of us probably have dogs in our stores and a smartphone, right? So here you can see there are lots of people that are just uploading videos of their dogs or the pets. Approximately I'm now talking about in this video is dogs. Here you can see that this video has got around 86 billion views. That means 86 times one guy have watched, or one person have watched this video, and in that I'll be showing you how much these people are making here. Next channel is around, here you can see Relax My Dog something. They are just uploading their pictures from or videos from their phone of their dog, and they are making 6 million. One guy is making around 5 million, and it's near about 3 months ago. That's it, and it's about 1 million to 1.6 million. I'll be showing you how much they are earning, these stores are earning. Here you can see Logan Paul is also there within this niche, and he have got around 12 million views, guys. That means 12 million time people have watched this video, and in that if approximately ads are coming in that, then you can get, they are just making lots of money. I'll be showing you how much these guys are making. For this we'll be talking about Relax My Dog. We'll be talking about this, how much this person is earning. But before that, we can see in this niche, that is in this keyword dog, there are lots of people searching for these dogs time. So as you have a smartphone with you, all of us nowadays have a smartphone with us, and dogs will be there in the house. If you can just literally take your picture of your dog and can start making some videos and upload in YouTube with some shared tags, here you can see people are searching around 64.7 million times these dogs about this keyword they are searching on YouTube. It may be competition, maybe more, but that doesn't matter at all, guys, because if you are making lots of videos in that, and it is very easy for it because you already have some pads with you, and if you have a smartphone with you already, then you can make lots of videos and upload and can make lots of money with this, guys. And it's very easy, you know. Here you can see how in this we'll see how much this this YouTube video makes. The YouTube channel is making Relax My Dog, releasing music for dogs. Here you can see this channel is off country. They have uploaded around 19096 videos, and this country, they are from UK, United States, United Kingdom, and they have uploaded around 1092 videos. It's very easy, guys, because you already have some pets with you in your house that you also love. Also, they can take just video of that pet, and whatever you just make it, I can make a vlog of that one round. And here you can see how much money they are earning from this YouTube channel alone is making around $910 to $14.6K per month, and around yearly around 10,000 to 174.8K just uploading their pet video with their smartphone or something. That's actually very easy. If you see, people, because people for earning money is going out for 9 to 10, 9 to 9 jobs, 9 to 6 jobs. But if you are uploading some videos of your phone with your phone, it is like actually is approximate, it is not the exact value. If you keep on uploading some videos of your pets, it is not like taking some investment for you guys. You can just keep on uploading your pet videos, and whatever you're doing with your pet daily, you're enjoying, you're just hanging out with your pets or dog. I am taking dog in this list right now, so you can just keep on uploading those videos and you can make lots of money, guys, with this. Next, if you suppose you don't have any cats, I also don't have any pets right now, neither dogs, nothing. So if you don't have that one also, you may be asking, I don't have pets, how can I earn money from this? Don't worry at all, guys, because next I'll be showing you one more niche in that you can go and keep on uploading videos, and if you don't have pet also, you can do it. Here you can see I was researching about you guys, how can you make money from this. Next niche, you have seen correct, guys. Next is health and remedy, guys. Here you can see health and remedy videos. People are just making some slideshows of that with some writing, that's it. It is little bit work, but if you don't have pet and if you want to earn money, you should be making this one, and it's very easy also, guys, if you can do it. Health and remedy, that's it. You need a onion that already every day you are using this one. You can see these videos are also getting million views, guys, per 1 year or 2 year. They're getting million views. Some channels are there that are making around within 12 months, 3 months also they are getting millions of views in their channel. So if you are the millions views are coming, then ads will be starts running on those videos. That means they are earning lots of money. I'll be showing you how much they are also earning in this video within some time. But here you can see this health niche is also a great niche if you are diving into right now, and people are searching for this niche, guys. This is the most interesting thing. People are also searching for this niche every day. And so if you are if your videos come in ranking of this YouTube and your health, it is not taking so much things. You should not go out and something. You can sit in a home and just edit your videos. You can make your videos and just keep on uploading those videos, and you can make lots of money with this, guys. So next you can see the easiest remedy you can use for health remedies for making money. They are getting around 199 millions they have subscribers, and they have get around 91k views. This one have around 4.1 million views also. They are making lots of money. So for this, we'll be taking an example of this one, natural cures. They are making lots of money, 4.1. And here you can see people are searching around 132k per month. People are searching for this health and remedy something. So if you are diving in this niche, and if you don't have pets with you, you can go with this niche and make lots of money and keep on uploading videos with this niche, and you can make lots of money. So in this, we'll be talking about natural and cures in this video. Let's see how much they are earning per month. So that's it. They are earning. Let us see how much they are earning with this niche. If you scroll down, this niche has lots of money. So once you can see, actually Social Blade is a platform in which we can see how much money. It's an approximate, it's not accurate, it's an approximate how much they are earning per month or per year. We can see in this. So it's taking some time for loading up. This is actually a very great for side income, for passive income. If you don't have money, you can just keep on uploading some videos and all in YouTube, and you can make lots of money with this. Here you can see this channel has just opened up, natural cures and all. Social Blade, I have already told you, Social Blade is an platform where you can see how much money they are making, YouTube channels are making right now. So here you can see this video has been uploaded, and this channel is making around 877k per month and around 10.5k to 168.5k per year. It's actually a good side income. If you want to have some side income, you can be, and it's very easy also. You can just keep on uploading some videos, just edit some videos of natural cures, or if you have some home remedy already that you are already using, you can just have a look in this 5-minute craft or something. You can take some onion or take something and make just see the other videos what other are doing and keep on uploading those videos, then you can make with this. People will already searching for these videos and all that you can make. You can be also coming in the searches results, and where you're coming in the search results, you can make with this. People will watch, and if you're getting lots of views, that means people ads will start coming, and you can also like them. You can also make 877k views per month. Here you can see they are getting lots of views and lots of subscribers per month and per day also. So it is like loading up something, but okay, you can get it out, get to know how it is going on. It is, they are making approximately around 168.5k dollars a year. That's also a very good amount of money for if you are this passive income. It's not your original income. If you are doing some work also after coming, you can do it for full time also if you want, because that much money. And if you keep on uploading videos, and if you are getting lots of views, more videos more views in your channel, that you can make lots of money with this, and your money will be coming every month in your YouTube channel, guys. There you can see they are getting 2.84 million subscribers they are having, because people love to watch this kind of videos and people need these videos. So people keep on watching and keep on subscribing to your channel. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'll be keep on uploading this kind of videos, how can make money from online, from home at online. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. So I'll be keep on uploading this kind of videos. And about Shopify and drop shipping now, I'm doing drop shipping, and I got some interesting statistics, so I just uploaded this video only for you guys. So here I think you have got some inspirations from this, how they are making online, making money from YouTube, and how much you can make from this very easy method is, guys. If you haven't dived yet, then try to dive in right now and take your smartphone and go out and make some videos and make your life, change your life right now. If you want to see how I'm making money online, make sure you check these 2 cool videos out right now.